Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to test the Android head unit without installing in the car. Let's begin. This process you will need 1. Positive and negative wire with a length of 12 inches or longer to reach the battery connector. 2. 12 volts battery. 3. Clipper to hold the wire to the battery connection. For the last but not the least, wire stripper. To begin, find the red wire and yellow to the head unit harness. Connect them together. Connect the yellow and red wire on positive lead wire to find the black wire and connect to negative lead wire together. Once it's done, connect the lead wire to 12 volts battery. Connect the positive wire to battery positive connector. Connect the negative wire to battery negative connector. Check the head unit screen and power up. Use the clippers to hold the wires in the battery. And there you go. The head unit is working perfectly. And that's how you test the head unit without installing to the car. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.